Another news, a recent survey has revealed that allies of the United States now find China more reliable as compared to the United States. Well, they also believe that Beijing is more technologically advanced than Washington. The poll conducted by Politico in February 2026 showed that respondents of the four key allies of the United States, namely Canada, UK, Germany and France, believe that it is better to depend on China than US under President Donald Trump. The change, it said, is driven by President Donald Trump's foreign policy decisions. According to Politico polls, 57% of Canadians say that they find China more reliable, while 23% said that they find the US under President Donald Trump more dependable. On the other hand, 20% said that they don't know. Similarly, 40% of Germans find Beijing more dependable, while only 25% said that Washington is more reliable. Meanwhile, 36% of Germans said they don't know. Furthermore, 34% of French citizens and 42% of those from the UK, they find China as a more reliable partner. On the contrary, only 25% of the French citizens and 34% of British citizens continue to see the United States as a dependable ally. Meanwhile, 40% of French citizens and 24% of those from the UK said they don't know. Now, the allies in the poll also believe that China is technologically more advanced than the United States. Around 55% of Germans said that China has the most advanced technology, while 30% said that the US has the technological edge as against China. In line with Germany, 54% Canadians feel that China has cutting-edge technology. On the other hand, 37% of Canadians believe that US is technically more advanced. Similarly, 50% of French and 53% of the British say that they find China as the technologically advanced nation as compared to the United States. Meanwhile, 36% of French and 35% of those in UK say that US has the more advanced technology. However, the only outlier came from the citizens of the United States. Around 53% say that the US is the more technologically advanced nation, while 41% believe that China has the most advanced technology.